Okay, we're back at the local again. Waves look a bit weird, but we got the 20. See if we can have some fun. Back to nature applied. Dal and Des are here. Let me go check. Hopefully we can get 1 or 2 waves. Yeah. Let's go see. This is how you jump off a raft. Your timing's got to be so key out here, otherwise you get cooked. David. Go David. Go Davey. Yo, it's a bomb. Okay, let's get moving. Oh my fuck. Brother. Oh, it's so shallow. Why is man laughing, bruh? Play that too. You know what this I do? Let's go get away. He's going! Go, go, go! Watch your line! How's the bomb? Woo! Hey! Oh, Holland! Oh, my sack! Go, Holland! Oh. There you go. What a dive! Let's tweak her, bro! Actually, let go. Yeah, I just finished up a fun little sesh. So good day. Beautiful weather we got out there, got some waves. We can have 20 seconds of your time. We are on the journey, sharing the fun, showcasing the adventure and the experiences. To get out there and keep moving. We'd love to hear your support. If you enjoyed the videos, tell us, leave a comment. We love seeing you guys are enjoying it. And subscribe, it goes a long way. So let's keep going. Bye.